Today we'll be demonstrating how to assemble a 24-inch diagonal wall cabinet. These will be the tools that you'll need for assembly. The full list will be in the description box below. Before we begin, unbox the materials and lay the pieces out to minimize scratching the panel pieces. First, apply a thin strip of glue in each pre-cut side groove on the cabinet frame. Before the glue dries, place the side panels into the grooves and secure the two pieces together using a 135-degree metal bracket, placing one bracket at the top and one at the bottom of the frame. Repeat the same steps to attach the other side panel. Next, place in the top and bottom panels following the groove lines. Afterwards, place in one of the remaining side panel pieces and screw it in place using the pre-drilled holes as a guide. Next, place in the back panel piece and fit on the last side panel piece. Make sure that all of the panel pieces are fitted to each other's grooves before securing the pieces together with screws, using the pre-drilled holes as a guide. Reinforce the back panel by screwing on the two plywood inserts. Place in the shelf pins at your desired shelf height using the pre-drilled holes as a guide, then put in the shelf boards. Next, place the hinge into the pre-drilled hinge holes and screw in place using the short round-headed screws. Align the hinge to the pre-drilled holes on the frame and screw in place. Finally, stick on the rubber door stoppers in the corners of the door, and with this, your cabinet is ready to be installed. If you notice any gaps or misalignment in the door, you can readjust the door placement using a screwdriver instead of a drill, since the hinges are really delicate. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.